sir?
Yes.
Okay. What's going on? Okay, just so you know, I stopped because your tags are expired.
Did I injure somebody or cause any damage?
No, your registration tags are expired?
I'm not operating in commerce, sir.
Okay. Do you have your license, registration, and proof of insurance?
I don't, what is the purpose of this stop?
Your registration tags expired in August of 13.
Do you understand that I'm not operating in commerce right now?
I don't care.
Actually, you should care because it's a constitutional right that I have to travel freely without being stopped for a statutory infraction that you do not have. Am I free to go?
No. I need your license, registration, and insurance.
Are you holding me against my will?
No. I'm not holding you against your will. What I'm doing is I stopped you for a traffic violation, and I need your license, registration, and insurance. Stop, please. Whatever you need to close this code one is fine.
I have.
No, code word.
Can I have your identification, please, sir?
My name is Deputy Ainsworth, as is on my uniform. I'm with the Jackson County Sheriff's Office. Okay? I need your license and registration. If you don't provide it, you will be under arrest for failure to provide proof of your license. Alright?
You're going to arrest me?
If you don't provide your proof...
Are you threatening to arrest me?
I'm not threatening you. I'm telling you.
Okay.
Okay?
So...
I need your license. If you don't want to provide that, I will arrest you for fail to provide your license.
I apologize.
I have to assume that I'm under arrest right now because I'm not free to leave.
Okay.
I am evoking my right against self-incrimination, and I will not be providing you with any documents that can be used against me to incriminate myself. Do you want to violate my right of self-incrimination to not be, because that's what you're doing, sir.
Okay. I have a legal right to stop you because your registration is expired. You are required by law to provide me with some form of identification. Okay? If you do not do that, you will be under arrest.
I have right to legal counsel.
Not at this point. Okay?
Yes, I do have right to legal counsel,
Okay.
sir. You can't take my rights away.
If you don't want to obey the law right now,
I am obeying the
speak
law.
with your attorney in jail. Okay?
You're threatening to kidnap me and put me in jail? Do you have a signed warrant to take me to jail? Where's my due process, sir? Do you not need a signed warrant from a judge to arrest me?
No, I'm not sure where you're from, but I do not. Okay?
I will hold you under full commercial liability and your bond in a criminal matter, should you proceed with this stop any
That's
further,
fine.
sir?
Are you going to cooperate or not?
Sir, with all due respect, I mean you no harm. I mean you no. There will be no violence. Please, God's peace be with you.
Okay.
What's the thing? That's right, that's right. Copy, thank you.
Can we get a supervisor here, sir?
Absolutely.
Thank you. Speak with your supervisor. Yes, hey Gene, this is Gary. See, I'm in the Walmart parking lot. Are you law enforcement or are you peace officer?
51 copy.
Are you safety officer or are you law enforcement?
I am law enforcement. I am with the Jackson County Sheriff's Office.
I have someone from law enforcement performing a traffic stop. He's threatened to arrest me if I don't show him a driver's license, registration, and insurance. The reason for this stop is expired registration tag.
Yes.
Then the state has no more authority over the vehicle if the registration is not current. You're aware of this, right? What you're trying to do? Are you aware of the law?
I'm pretty familiar with the law, yes.
Pretty familiar with the law. Well, this is going to go a lot further than pretty familiar, so please be cautious in what you do, that you don't violate my rights in trying to enforce statute. So where are we at, Gene?
Private register a vehicle when it depends on the use that's being made of the vehicle. If it's used for private travel and communication, it's not required to be tied to registry. So it wouldn't have to have any tabs on it.
This is my contention, sir.
I can't hear him. I'm not going to chat with him. I'm talking to you. Okay?
Yeah. And the thing to do there probably is just jot down some notes, get the officer's name and badge number, and make sure that you get all that information so that he can be sued in his private capacity for exceeding his authority and jurisdiction.
Correct.
His authority and jurisdiction is set out very clearly in 153, 39, and 83.
up the phone, please?
No, I'm with my counsel now. Please don't try to deprive me of counsel, sir. Please.
I've been very patient with you.
You have,
Okay?
sir.
I have a legal right to stop you. Like I said, you are required to provide your license, okay, or proof of identification. Okay, if you're refusing to do that, you will be under arrest. Okay?
Deputy Landmark had a UMP last night.
He will be arresting me should I not provide him with this information.
Well, he wants you to identify yourself, and this is his authority. He's claiming his authority for that is his power under the vehicle code. And as I say, document everything they say, and have him write it down, because even at a traffic stop, he's not authorized to compel you to identify yourself, and that's Delaware versus Browse. So he's alleging that you're engaged in trafficking, so he has a right to demand a driver's license. This is exactly what they do in this Ponzi scheme called the driver's licensing scheme.
Okay.
Just get his information, see what he wants to do here. You gotta impound your vehicle and tow it.
Hey, sir.
It's on private
Okay.
property.
So, I've asked you several times to please cooperate. All right. As stated,
I'm cooperating as best I can with
my name is Deputy Ainsworth. I am with the Jackson County Sheriff's Office.
Gene, I'll get back
I
to
am
you.
in uniform, displaying a badge. All right. I stopped you because your registration tags are expired. You are required by law to provide me with proof of identification. If you cannot do that, you will be under arrest for failing to do so. Do you understand?
No, I don't understand.
You need to step out of the vehicle. You need to step out of the vehicle. You are
I
under
do
arrest.
not feel safe, sir. Please don't.
Step out of the vehicle.
Please,
You are under
sir.
arrest.
Sir, step out.
Wait.
Get-
Don't
Step out
pull
of the vehicle.
away, please. Please.
Do
You're
not
harming
pull
me.
away from me.
Please. Please. You're.
Don't pull. Relax your arms. Relax your arms.
They are as relaxed as I can be. You're holding them up and hurting my shoulder. I have injuries. Please, sir, do not hurt me further.
We're not. Stop resisting. Cooperate. That's all we're asking.
Well, my cooperation, please understand that I realize it'd be easier if I just produced this. However, I feel that